Good morning, everybody. I think you are fine. Today, we would like to discuss on New Millennium, New Human Being by Osu. It's me, Mr. Siyom Sahani from Bhairava Multiple Campus. You might have some queries about do you like to be changed? How do you differ from your ancestor? What are the major difference between you and your parents? Okay, such queries you might have. I think you developed such queries. The answers of these questions will be given after this. Look, also says a new man is emerging. What do you mean by that? A new man is a person, is a modern man. According to Osu, a new man is emerging. So who can be new man? The new man is one who is constructive, earthly, believing in life before death, experiment oriented, open minded, fearless, content, integrated, believing in love, adventures, and most importantly, with a new consciousness. Okay? It means the image of the new man is not yet clear, but the horizon is becoming red and the sun will soon be there. From past, people were claiming that they are new human being, I mean new man. Okay, still today people say that we are new man. Okay? Here new man, I mean refers to, I mean it the new man refers to the person who has constructive quality, who is earthly, who is believing life before death, who experiments, I mean the person who is experiment oriented, who is open minded, who is fearless, who is content integrated, who believes in love. Okay, who is adventurous, who is most is importantly with a new consciousness. My dear student, the morning mist is there. According to Osu, he claims that the morning mist is there and the image of the new man is vague, but still a few things are crystal clear about the new man. The monkey, first of all, he says that a monkey became man. It means we human being, we as a social person, as a human being, our ancestors were monkey. Okay, what happened? We upgraded. In course of time, we upgraded from monkey to human being. Man has remained the same. Okay, so we have the same physical organs like a monkey, except the tail. We are the same. We can find out our physical organs, our physical body like a monkey. So it is everybody believes that our scientists have proved that we are predecessors of monkey. What happened? A great revolution is on the way.